another question coming up for you, and this one is from Pam. She's calling us from Macon. Hi, Pam.
Hi,
How are you this evening?
I'm great.
All right, go ahead with your question for us tonight.
So my husband and I paid child support, and we found out that the mother of the child has been incarcerated, and the child has been placed in foster care. And we were wondering if we still have to pay child support. Child support is holding about 6 months worth of child support. And we just wanted to know how we would go about to stop the child support from being paid, and how do we recoup the money that has been being held.
When you say it's being held, you mean who's holding the Child Support Recovery Service or whatever they call it? That
Child support, yes, child support is holding the money.
the money that y'all have
been
paid
incarcerated.
while she's been incarcerated.
Yes.
I don't know of anything that would. Blake,
I can talk a little bit about
Okay.
this. All right, so when you're dealing with family law, child support issues, what you want to do is you always first want to follow whatever the order says. So the child support order that you and your husband are through with your husband's child's mother, you want to make sure that you continue to pay that, because you don't want to be held in contempt. Whether she's incarcerated or not, that's not a condition of that order. So you want to do that first, okay? Make sure that you continue making those payments. However, go talk to a family law attorney, and then ask to have what's called a modification of child support. Okay, you can do that every 2 years, or when there are certain kind of changes, and this is going to be one. This is a pretty substantial change. So what you're going to do is go speak with a family law attorney, or go to the clerk's office so that you can file for a petition to modify child support. Okay, I hope that helps.
I don't see any way to get back the child support that's already been paid in. Is there?
If it's being held for the purpose of the child,
Right.
that's what they're not going to make an exception. In certain circumstances, because overall they're going to continue moving on forward the way that they should, to ensure that that child's getting the support it needs.
Yeah.
That's what's most important in all of these situations when it deals with family law.